Ayan, kumusta yung ano mo? Pero manggulang ko taga-pumpunan. Ayun, palablab po. Ayan, sige, sige. Lablabin natin, little girl. Ayan. Uy, malaki na pala bahay mo. Paxer na bangus. Ayan, sarap kaya. Ayan, salamat guys. Ayan. Nanood na ako sa'yo. Lady girl. Ayan, please connect each other guys. Please connect. Happy New Year to Sis Dada Digman Vlog. Ayan. Ayan, manood na ako sa inyo guys, Dada Vlogs. Uy, I'll show you guys my last my last gift. Ayan, I'll show it to you. Ay, ito pala. Ayan, binigyan ako ng binigyan ako ng para sa apo ko. Ayan, beach ball at saka ito. Ayan. Beach ball at saka ito para sa summer. Tapos, ayun. Let's open this one, guys. Let's open this one, guys. So, my friend gave me this one. Ah, look at this. It says shower set. It says shower set. Ayan, ang cute. Super cute siya, guys. Ayan. Super cute. Ayan, oh. Ayan, my friend gave it to me. Ayan, tinago ang price tinik. So, i-open natin guys. Ayan, nakadikit pala. Ayan, ang ganda ng pouch. Magamit yun din natin ang pouch. Let's open what's inside. Okay, look at this one. Twisted Terrace Spa headband. Ayan. Let's try the headband. Is it that cute? Oh. And plus the color of the year, brown. It's color of the year, brown. Ay, sarap naman ng ulam. Paksiw na bangus with a lot of talong. Ayan, look at that, guys. Is it that cute? And then I have pink slipper. Yeah. It's pink slipper. Is it involved here, the slipper? Yeah. Is it cute? Slipper kapag maligo ka. Ayan. Slipper. And then, yay! Cotton swab. 100 pieces. Cotton. Look at that. Look at the container, guys. It's so cute, right? Yeah. So cute. It's pinky. Yan, ang sarap. Diba? Ang sarap na Ayan, keep mo. Then, I have this one is body lotion. Ayan. Let's try. Ang bango. Ang bango ng body lotion. But it's color pink. Look at the packaging, guys. Did you see that? 13 tons lang. All are pink. Yes, you see. Look at, so amazing. And there's more. There is more. And I think this is the last one. Yeah. Yay! It's shower gel. I definitely use it. Shower gel. And it smells so good. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Oh, she gave me the ho earrings. Yeah, she gave me a ho earrings. Look at that. Christmas earring. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Yeah. So that's the whole thing. Yeah, I love it. So girly. I definitely use it. And look at the bag. Look at the pouch bag. It's so spacious. Look at that spacious bag. Isn't that cute, huh? Very spacious. And you could put everything here. So definitely, if you go somewhere, you just use this one. You have a pouch and you have a thing. Everything fit in. See?